Today we're going to test out 2 new clippers. We're going to do it while we're at the Columbus Crew Stadium. So, here are the babies right here. Hush clipper. Hush trimmer. And these are the 2 we're going to work with and see how they work on the players. Whenever I see them, just look.
Imagine you taking, you got a kid, one kid, wife, family, and then you got fucking 500 pictures.
And then it gotta be done by, at least by,
Because if you're waiting next week or something, too long, then it's,
don't let you have like a regular MLS game, and then USA for you. Like, World Cup, I guarantee he's gonna shoot the World Cup. He has to.
yes. I'm just like, I'm just curious, how does he get, because I've seen him, he has these Miami, like he has Miami and Orlando pictures, like, how does he get the chance to do that now?
So this is what he told me. He said he asked, or the team asked him to shoot with him while they're in that state. So I'm like, so in my head I'm like, do these teams not have to?
Yeah.
And if they're gonna have to talk, is there nothing else?
Yeah.
Because if I look at like versus
Yeah.
everyone else's, it's pretty up there. It's like I can say our like the marketing that is done here, they really put it like back into that shit. Like that shit really fucking like I hats off to them.
Yeah.
I actually think these guys are beyond. Especially like on the videos and stuff. The other team is just plain like I just look at it. But like with what you call it, you guys, I don't know, they gotta have them like lined up with COVID. Fucking
That's what I'm saying.
office room or something.
Yeah.
Cause I'm pretty sure it was a go-kart or something like that. I'm pretty sure it was the day it happened. That they hosted that ride. Cause I be looking at it, I'm like, there's no way that. There's no way. But y'all did it, what?
We did it Monday? I mean, they might post it Tuesday.
Like, this
But
is
like the day after is,
it's ridiculous.
so I posted it Tuesday afternoon.
Like, that's ridiculous.
And we did it Monday afternoon.
He's probably the first time you actually looked at it.
Yeah.
Let's see that.
He's just chilling for real. I've always kind of thought about that too. I have no idea. I couldn't even give you a number. The videos they put out before like every game are sick. No. Grinding.
And then when Zach came to the shop, he was like, "You see that?" I was like, "Yeah, you never seen it?"
Tennessee football?
Oh man, you never seen it? This shit,
No,
bro. You probably seen it. Like, he was in the bathroom, like a symbol, he crawled on his shoulder or something. And the jersey went from orange to black.
How do you do that? See, and like the thing is, because when they do jersey stuff like that, they have time. Like that's the things they have time to like actually look at and release and all that. Like that stuff is when they get their time to have fun and explore and try shit.
Yeah, oh dude, there's so much shit they got scrapped. Yeah, they got stiff armor people like taking like, shut up. This shit was so hilarious. And I'm just sitting there like, bro, this shit is funny as fuck. Like, it was one of the most funniest things I ever seen in my life. They just had like a bunch of people. It's just they have another one that's like when the guys got recruited. That's what I told you. Here's the crazy part. The guys here have tried to get Ethan to come here.
Really?
Dude, if you came here, we got videos like, oh my god.
That's what I mean, like inside for like the jersey store.
He would cost money.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't know how much that would cost.
This shit just probably want to do.
So here's the crazy thing. They like me and throughout the entire world. I don't think any other marketing is better than that.
Definitely. Yeah.
Everyone else is like drawn out. Like if you look at Colorado, so the guy. If you look at like Charlotte, it's clean, but it's not like I want to see that. Like God, like like LA's is cool.
Yeah.
Just because LA.
I feel like that's the thing. It's such a just their location. It's gotta be sick.
Only when I say LA got OB all baby fans actually great. Maybe the G1, yeah, that shit was hard. I thought that was like
People aren't built for a high like that, man. Literally, they're
Like I seen
layers and shit.
I seen that shit like a whole ass like it was like a fire hazard. What up, big dog? You ready to lose on rematch? Nah, that's on PlayStation. It has to be. I think it's only not on Netflix. I'm not Netflix. Nintendo Switch. It has to be. It has to be. You're not ducking it. You're not ducking his rep.
He's trying. He's trying to get out of this.
He's trying to get out of it. Have you seen the game yet? Yeah, but like, you know, yeah, it just doesn't.
I mean, obviously there's guys that don't win, and obviously people know who some wins on the team.
It's all.
That to me is the greatest.
It's horrible.
Like if he's in a bad mood, you can tell because he's not loud.
Yeah.
It's rare when it happens, but when it does happen, it's
only temporary.
Sometimes